Hi, welcome. My name is Hairul Bashar. I am a automation technology professional. Since 2005, I'm working in this automation um, field. I have been with the Siemens system integrator companies, and I have worked with few of the companies who do servicing and troubleshooting of the PLC system, and then I did commissioning of the PLC system with PLC HMI and SCADA systems. I did programming, ladder logic programming, testing, development, and went through the development phases of the product development project as well. So I come to know many fresher as well as the experienced people. They search for training material on PLC automation system, SCADA, HMI or DCS, whatever. You will find a lot of information and training material online. So here I come across few of the online portal where actually you can gain a lot of knowledge. One of the portals for Siemens PLC system is here. The title is Learning and Training Documents. If you come across this page, you will see this 4 tabs. It's a huge collection of training material, and this version 13 form, it means actually this material is for above version 13 of TI portal. And then if you click on this menu button, you come across sub menu, and then under sub menu you have then another details of the things, training material. So if you download PDF or document, let's for example I download this concept and model description. I download this will open a new tab. That's amazing. I mean, you people can go through this document, and here informations are so easily available. But one thing, maybe what I feel for the fresher, this is going to be overwhelming unless someone teaches you, in classroom, physically in front of the teacher. It will be very difficult to gain. But I know the material, so for me this is huge information. And yeah, let's open another subject, portal, and then go to example process, and then portal example process, right? Okay, so it is open. Getting started, video, tutorial, apps, manual, trial, software, firmware. So you see it's a bank of knowledge, programming guidelines, getting started. I feel you should search this portal, Siemens portal or ABB portal. Each company has their own website. They call it as a knowledge bank, and if you are able to register in their website and go through some of the material, actually you get a lot of free information. So finding application example, so you have application example, then even you have library to download, project, sample project is there, and yeah, it's very huge information. Let's go back and support, technical documentation, manual for schematic. Okay, the manual for schematic, you have controller manual for controller, manual for distributed I/O, manual for HMI. What you need, everything is there, because they are the maker of the product. So obviously they should have this information somewhere, so you can download some of the manual, for example. S7200, for example, I want to download this. Okay, so I click this and then I see download button. So if I download, just save it somewhere. If you want to save it, for example, I save in STEM. Okay, Siemens PLC. I save it here inside folder SIEMENS Siemens, and then I save it. Okay, now download it. Okay, good. Open. So here it is. You see the 7 to 100 programmable controller system manual. Go through chapter by chapter, and it's a very good manual and detail. What else you need? Only thing is, you just don't download and do don't go through the manual documents. Downloading does nothing. You just save in the folder. Unless you go through the material, you don't learn. So another thing is, I would say, reading through the manual is also not enough. You have to practice and interact with some of your friend or teacher who will guide you through your problem and answer some of your doubts. Unless you have your doubts clarified, you are not going to learn anything. So this is one page. I would say you must search this information. Where I was, let's go back again one more time. Yeah, this is learning and training documents. This is for Siemens material, training material. Then this is, I shown you how to get here, and then you have another section, documentation for schematic controller. So you have documentation for the schematic controller. It's a huge list, but you focus on what you are going to learn. So you have a document for the PLC controller 1200, 71200, and then S7200, S7 1500, S7 300 documents, S7 400 document, then E200 SP document, and then software document. So this is the module, electronic module. Hardware document is software document. So whichever you are going to learn, you choose, download, and go through those materials. Then I have another section. I found it in industry online support. It's a forum. If you search this all schematic useful manuals good for beginners on this forum, you will come to this page. Google it and you have to look for this title. So here someone did a very good job on listing all these, the link, importantly, very important link. It's schematic manager training, basic of ladder training. Okay, and then you have WinCC, SCADA training, schematic training material, download free tutorial. Even though everything is free, there must be some logic behind why to write free. Okay, so if you download this one, basic language ladder, is a downloadable executable file you can install in your PC, and then you get all the material. And then you have another portal, education, Siemens Automation cooperates with education. So here you get some of the overview of kind of training they organize. PLC technology, programming according to this, and then you have industrial IT technologies, industrial automation, computer assisted technologies, cloud technologies. So you come to know what kind of concept you need to learn. Basic of automation technologies, this is the lower section, and then you have automation industrial communication technologies. So you have lot IO link protocol, RFID, and then distributed IOs, drive systems, safety systems, industrial IT technologies. So you have protocol, Ethernet interface with software of third-party providers, OPC, and communication networks. And then you have another cloud-based technologies. So you get hierarchy of technologies. Look for what you are targeting in your career, and then you get another link. You can search this learn training textbook S7 1200 from version 14 SP. So you have multiple versions. It's based on version the manuals are actually created. Different version has different kind of features. Some maybe more or less different. So you have training material based on TI portal version 14 SP1. So this is also it's a huge material. It's going through page by page is difficult. I would say you consult training institute or the person who gives the training, organized training. He can actually cover the whole thing within few hours. And then another portal, PLC Dev. I found this information is quite old. Maybe the owner of this website is having difficult time or busy somewhere, but it's useful information. A lot of the information, even though it is old, they are actually timeless for Siemens, because these concepts are still there. So this is good reference for the programming. Keep in mind, this is plcdev.com. It's a very useful website for the PLC programming. And then you have another website, PLC-SCADA DCS blogspot.com, and I found a lot of links that are helpful. Here this is drive basics. If you click here, if you want to learn about the DC drives, and then PLC ebook, Allen Bradley, Siemens. It's taking time. Okay, I think some of the material is not available, but anyway, I see them useful for the purpose of learning. You have some video you can directly play. So you have 11 videos here in this training. Someone is really trying to.
I'm Archie Jacobs from Manufacturing Automation.
Putting it to YouTube. And then also I found the Quora. Many people ask questions like, how can I learn Siemens PLC for free? For this to answer, I am recording this video. So many people answer, and they have time to answer, and they put some URL. Like one of them I found, Automation Revolution. It's a channel in YouTube, and it has a huge collection of training material as well. And then another website, bin95.com. Here also I found a lot of free training material. Even though they are selling their training material with a few bucks, for Indian it's a huge $99. It's quite costly, but whatever the free training material is given, it's more than sufficient, I say. industrial electrical training video. It's the same website. Okay, so this automation revolution, you can find a huge collection of training material. I think this is going to be, I think, one of the best place to learn, and focus video one by one and go through and learn the material. You will get a lot of information. You might not be able to cover everything because it's a huge collection. So focus on what actually you are trying to learn. If you want to learn PLC, focus on videos based on PLC. If you are focusing on SCADA, focus on the SCADA series. And for the drive, there is drive series. Process information, instrumentation, there is another series. Okay, hope this is useful for those people who are looking for free resource online and try to learn the PLC automation system, whether it is PLC, HMI or SCADA, or in the field of development and testing of the product based product development project. Previously I have recorded one video that automation technology professionals and their different categories of job where they can apply for the different profiles. Thank you for watching this video, and wish you good luck.